Rahim. It is said, self done is well done. So, if you want to do something well, then do it yourself. When you develop this habit of doing everything yourself, so you will do it well and you will be satisfied. You will be happy for that. So all those people who have the habit of doing whatever responsibility they have, whatever duties they have, whatever work they have, or tasks or projects do they have, and they do it themselves, and they don't rely on others people, they don't depend on other people, but they do it themselves. If it is their homework, if it is anything in their life, but they have the habit of doing their each and everything themselves. So these kind of people, they live independent life. Independent life means they know how to manage their time. So they know how to manage their time and how to make the best use of the time, as well as how to make the best use of all the available resources. So such kind of people, they live independent life, they live happy life, and they live contented life. At the other hand, those people who assign their tasks or their responsibilities to others people, so sometimes it happens that the other people, they, due to some mishap or due to some other things, they don't carry out the task satisfactorily, and then it creates unnecessary disappointment for a person. So therefore, in order to avoid the unnecessary disappointment, the unnecessary embarrassment in your life, in order to protect your peace of mind, in order to protect, in order to maintain your focus in your life, in order to enjoy your life, you must do each and everything yourself. This is a very good habit, and this is the habit of highly successful people. So when you do your task yourself and you don't depend on other people, so this is how you will not expect a lot from other people. You will expect everything from yourself. And someone has said that expect great things from yourself and also expect great things from Almighty Allah. So when you expect great things from yourself and you expect great things from Almighty Allah, so you will also have a great life. So therefore, it is important that we should develop the habit of doing our each and everything in ourselves, and this is how. This is why it is said, self done as well done. So if you want to do everything well, if you want to excel in your life, if you want to be extraordinary in your life, if you want to be the best in any field of your life, so you must develop this habit, do your each and every task yourself. And when you do, you take full responsibility for your life, and you handle each and every responsibility very well. So you also learn how to face challenges and how to take risk. And when you learn how to face challenges, how to take risk in your life, this is how you grow. This is how you develop. So if you want to develop yourself, if you want to improve yourself, so for that you must go through each and every experience of your life yourself. So when you experience each and everything of your life yourself, you will develop the practical experience. You will become more experienced with the passage of time, and you will also develop so many skills. When you handle all kind of responsibilities of your life yourself, so you will learn that skill. You will also get appropriate knowledge of that field. You will also get enough information about that field, and you will be able to carry out that task, that duty easily. If there will be problem, difficulties, you will also come to know how to handle problems, how to handle pressure, how to handle stress in your life, and how to handle the difficult situation in your life. So this is possible only when you do your task yourself. When you, whatever responsibility you have, when you handle it yourself. Whatever job do you have, whatever responsibility do you have, whatever work do you have. So when you do it yourself, so you will come to know about how to handle it and how to be the best in that area. So a person who does all his work himself, he manages his time very well. So he learned the skill of he mastered the skill of time management. And as you know that those people who know how to manage their time, they overcome stress easily in their life. They overcome stress and they also remain happy in their life. And when you are happy and there is no stress in your life, then you can focus on your goals and your tasks easily, and you can achieve it easily as well. So when you are happy, you will be confident. When you will be confident, you will be more productive. And this is how you will excel in your life. You will show great results. You will show great performance in your life. So therefore it is said, self done is well done. So the people in the West, they do their each and everything themselves. They don't rely on any other person. This is how they live dignified life. They live a respectable life. And if you also want to live a dignified life, a respectable life, a graceful life, so start doing your each and everything yourself. Don't rely on others people. This is how you will be able to live a good life, and you will be able to help others people as well. And you will not be depending on others for your life. Rather, you will be living independent life. Independent life means your time will be at your disposal. You will prioritize your life. You will prioritize all the activities of your life, and you will be able to spend more time on the activities which matter most to you. So this is how you will prioritize your life. You will come to know about the mission of your life, and you will also come to know about your passion and your talent. You will develop self-awareness. When you experience each and everything yourself, you develop self-awareness. Self-awareness means what are your values, what are your principles, what are your standards, the things which you like, the things which you don't like, what are your strengths, what are your area for improvement. So actually you develop self-awareness just because of when you go through different experiences of your life. So you come to know about yourself that what are the things which you can do easily, and what are the things which you cannot do easily, and you need to improve that area of your life. So those people who take full responsibility for their life, and they don't depend on others people, they try to fulfill their needs, their responsibilities, their duty themselves. So these kind of people, they become more experienced with the passage of time. They become more skillful. They become versatile. They become multi-talented. They become dynamic and active in their life. They remain active, and they enjoy good health as well. And they also have smart. They are also smart and intelligent. They become wise with the passage of time. So if you also want to become wise, if you want to become intelligent, if you want to be dynamic, and if you want to be active and energetic in your life, and you want to be a multifaceted personality, a multi-talented person, so for that, it is important that you must experience each and everything of your life yourself, and don't assign the important task of your life to others people, because other people will do it for you, but still you will be not satisfied. And if he miss it, so you will be more disappointed because of that. So therefore, your life is your responsibility. And if you want to live a successful life, a happy life, then you must handle each and every responsibility yourself. And this is how at the end of the day, you will be proud of all of your efforts. You will be happy, you will be confident, and you will also enjoy your life. And you will develop also so many skills as well. So therefore it is said, self done is well done.